Hello friends, now we'll see how to install Libreoffice in Ubuntu. I already installed Libreoffice, so I'm just uninstalling it. To uninstall a package, just type apt get remove. Sorry, spelling mistake. Sorry, apt get remove Libreoffice. So in that, there will be the Libreoffice will be removed. Then, as you can see in this line, here you can see Libreoffice is removed, and all the dependencies and files are removed. So what I wanted to show you is to first install LibreOffice, we need to install a package which is required for the successful installation of LibreOffice. So the name of the package is libuf and slash u dev. I will just install this yeah, I will first on the PPA repository. So this is a command. As you can see, it is adding to the app repository uh, to the app package manager a repository. So the name of the repository, add repository means add is a repository of multiple packages that are used by Linux Ubuntu. So app repository means to add in the app repository like add hyphen apt hyphen repository. So what is the mean? Add means add to the apt repository this PPA LibreOffice. Plus, let us see the syntax of PPA. PPA is a public package. Uh, a, so public package archives. So what happens is to suppose I have a LibreOffice package in open source. So I will type PPA. That is the public package archives. So a colon and the name of the package, then slash and then BPA. So it is public package archive. So I'm just running this command. I have the super user privileges. So now this command will download and install LibreOffice. So now the next we will just update that. You need to run this command to update the apt repository. So we have changed the apt repository by adding the package, but now we will update it. So after updating, we will be able to install. So sudo apt is the first I will install lib u to f u dev. So this package is required. So after installing this package, I will just install using super user privileges. Sudo apt get install and, and the name will be libre. So it is installing ways. So now LibreOffice has been installed. So first we'll just and check the steps. First, I will just open it. The first step is remove the current installation of LibreOffice. Then Then we have to press sudo apt get remove, sorry, hyphen is there in apt and get remove LibreOffice. What this will uninstall LibreOffice from my Ubuntu. Now after removing, we will need to add lib u to f u dev uh, package to the we need to not you can say add, we need to install this package. This is the name of the package, lib u2f slash u dev. Install this package to the repository app. So now after installing this, we will install uh, one more package in the we will add we will sorry not install, we will add a package to the app repository. Now after adding the package, the name of the package is the name package name is PPA. PPA stands for public packages archives. So colon center and now the name of the package name is LibreOffice and then slash PPA. So this is a standard format. Suppose I wanted to have to install a package named Gaurav. What I will do is I will type PPA and colon or then slash PPA. So this is the format. So the command to run is sudo because it requires superuser privileges. Then I run this command add apt repository. So add apt repository means add this repository in ATP. Sorry, add this package in apt repository. So now we will just see the terminal. In this I have type I first installed lib to yeah lib. So here I go right sudo apt get install this package lib to u12. This is required. This external package is required for LibreOffice. So this is the installation of lib u2f slash ud. So now I will after adding the repository of public package archives of wait a second. So now after this, the next step is to update the repository. To update changes to reflect, you need to write update the repository of app. So this will update. After update, you need to install the. So we will run this as you can see in this terminal. We will just run sudo apt install LibreOffice. So sudo apt install package name or the package name here is LibreOffice. So now we have successfully understood installed LibreOffice. Again we will revise it once more time. First remove the current installation of LibreOffice. So it will be sudo apt get remove LibreOffice. So after removing, I need to install this package for Ubuntu. So lib-u2f a slash udev package to the repository. So I will in apt repository I will install this package. Now in a public package archives I will select the LibreOffice package and I will add it to the apt repository. After adding it to refresh the changes, I will type sudo apt update. It will update the apt packages. After updating the apt packages, I will type sudo apt install LibreOffice. So it will install LibreOffice. Now, how to use the LibreOffice? LibreOffice has many commands. So we will type first LibreOffice. So you can see here LibreOffice window is opening, and we can do many operations on files. So first thing we will do is we will have write a document. So this is my first document in Linux Ubuntu. So this is my first document in Linux Ubuntu. But this, I suppose I want to select it. What I will do is I will just press the mouse button and drag it to the end. So you can see in the stock, this is called menu bar. In that menu bar, there are files, edit, view. We will understand it up. We will just understand that this is a LibreOffice writer like Microsoft Word. So suppose if I want to make it bold, I will type B. If I want to make it italics, I will type I. And I want to underline, I will, now if I want to increase the font from 12 to 18, see this is the font increase. Suppose I want to change the font, I will see this. So this is a change in my font. So many such things are there. Now I will have to say Control S to save it. So I will save it in my tutorials. Linux Ubuntu tutorials. I will just type word one dot ob word one dot odt. So now I'm saving this. See word 11. Sorry, instead of odd, and now I'll show you some one more thing. You to run the Linux LibreOffice Word file, run the command LibreOffice writer for opening opening an empty presentation. Type LibreOffice Impress. Impress stands for presentation. So what are the types and their extensions? So first type is the writer and the extension is .odt. The second is presentation. Our shuttle is ODP. The third is Excel. Sorry, third is spreadsheet. in a spreadsheet in ODS. Then you see, I'm just closing this file and I'm opening again LibreOffice. So for you can see these lines. I just copy it. So you see this draw creates a draw document. Draw creates a draw document. So you will just see the extension. It's like a paint in Windows. So if I save it, demo. So it will be ODG. So you can see just a second here. It's an OD. Just a second. ODG. So what is the full form? Full form of OD is open document. All these are provided by Open Document Company. So text. So ODP means Open Document Presentation. And the spreadsheet is Open Document Spreadsheet. And it is graphics. So this was our basic LibreOffice. Now we will go to sorry. I will just close this. I will just start from the beginning. So LibreOffice community. These are the database. How to like Microsoft there is access. So this is the database. Then in this I create a new database. So I will do next and then I will finish. So in this database I will save this file. So you can see ODB database stands for base, LibreOffice base. So in this database ODB open document, then open document that is base. After that is we will study how to create it. I just created this database. So again I think we will I will just create one more database. So now I click on this. You can see my cursor is base database. So this is the database wizard. How to configure and then I'll press on next and then the other finish. Now I see this is a database.odb file. Let me rename the file. Okay, rename is not there, so I will just delete this file and I will again click on base database. So again the next dash again finish. So data okay database. So in that there are tables, queries, forms and reports. The first important thing is to create a table. So to create a table I use the First, I use the normal method and then the UI method. So now I'll make a new uh, database, not database. I make a new database. The database is I think made. Now I want to insert a table. So this is my UI, but I want to um, create a table. Yeah, this is there. So I want to create this table in command line. So in you can see here it is in this version this command line is not working. So we will use a graphical interface. So here I am writing the create table and design view. So field name. So what is the field name of it? Suppose name. So here I automatically this type has come. So no need to description name of the person. So now we have another field marks. Again this has come. Now you have to change it. I will type integer. Integer yes because marks are integer. Marks secured in the exam. After marks there is percentage. Percentage is just like a percent of marks. So these three fields I have made and I will now save this table. So now I will insert it. I will save it. Save table name as Gaurav. Yeah, yes, it's asking me to create the primary key. So the primary key is ID. So ID is an integer. So it will be automatically incremented. So see that what let us revise the steps. I went to I went to the uh, base uh, of Libreoffice. Then I created a database from its wizard. After creating the database, I created a table from the UI wizard. After ask prompting for the foreign American, it was generated automatically. So again, we move the steps. I went to base of Libreoffice. Yeah. So first I went to LibreOffice base. Base means database. Then I created a database from this wizard. After creating a database, I created a table inside the GUI wizard. And after prompting from the after prompting for the primary key, it was generated automatically. So now I have a table with ID column, with marks column, with a name column, with marks column, and with percentage column. So this is one and it also has type. So ID has type integer, name has type var stands for variable characters, marks has int because marks can only be an integer, and percentage has a percentage sign, so it becomes var. So these are automatically stored. Now I will go to this and I will just click on the table. So after clicking on the table, I have multiple options. So first thing I will edit it. In this I will write one. So in this I will write go. In this I will write suppose 20 marks and percentage 90. So second I will type marks 13 percentage 97. So now if you see I am not writing anything in the primary key. So it will be Sabamina as for 20 marks. For 60%. And now I will, you can see I have to type this. This is not auto increment. These are the basics of database. So now how to query the database. So I will create first I will ask for tables. So I will so now yeah I will uh, write a query. Here you can see this is a entity diagram and that we have to run query. Wait a minute. Ah, this is two types of users. One is the design as I told you earlier, and next is the SQL view. So from command line. So first we'll go to SQL view, and then I will just insert into table name. Table name is Gaurav. Then ID name, and then marks and percentage. Sorry, marks is this is a column name and values. Since the ID is an integer, I will write 7. Name is a string, so I will and was written bracket in inverted commas. So now marks is 20 because integer, and since percentage is has a percentage, and we will have to. So now I will just run this query. It is giving me an error. Okay, I think this insert query is so. I think I have to insert. Yeah, insert is there. Then say